Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cedric here. You're watching my channel, Passport Said. I'm in Bolivia, in Santa Cruz today, and wanted to give you guys a quick tour of my room at the Alfonsina Boutique Hotel. Checked in not too long ago, and I'm really impressed by the look of this place. I have a separate video showing you around the hotel as a whole, but this is just a quick video to show you my room before I start making a mess all over here. So, right when you walk in, door is behind me here. Right when you walk in, this is your view. A lot of art throughout this entire hotel. We have Madonna here, Marilyn, some other faces that I recognize but I cannot name. We also have this cool little French sign here, Je pense ce que je dis, which translates, I say what I think, by B. Bardo, whoever that is. So here you have this nice long table. This is where I'm laying out some of my camera equipment. I brought all my camera equipment here because this is a quick pit stop before we make our way to Uyuni to visit the salt flats. So we're here in Santa Cruz for a couple of days, gonna venture a little bit, but Uyuni is our final destination. So you have this little bench here. Nice seating area. This is, I believe, a suite here, so it comes equipped with a seating area. Here is our closet, essentially. Here, let me turn on this light. Yeah, so essentially behind me, this is our closet here. Comes with the safe right down here. And the reason I'm calling it a closet is because you can close it here and it reveals the other side, which is pretty much a kitchenette. Right, so you have your sink here. They provide you with a couple of cups, some coffee cups, water urn, a little toaster, and a little fridge. Look at this. So they got some water in here, some cerveza, just in case of emergency. You never know when you're gonna need a cold one. We got a nice size bed here. This is a king size bed. This here is, this is for grown-up clothes. Yeah, which I did not bring. This is as good as it gets on this trip. You get your couple of nightstands, and this looks out to the front of the hotel. But yeah, this place is really well done. I think I paid approximately $120 for one night stay, so not too bad at all. Let me show you guys the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. That's me. Let's check the water pressure. If you watch any of my other tour videos, I have this thing for checking water pressure. I don't know why, but it's just something that I do. So here we go. It's coming down, yes. Have your little toilet here and a decent sized shower. Comes with your soap, conditioner. Actually, soap bottle is quite empty, but shampoo and conditioner. And I remember the first time I saw one of these things back in Laos, and I was so confused as to what it was for. I know what it's for. Keep your booty clean, but I still don't understand how you would use this without making a big mess everywhere. So I've come across them in several places around the world, but just never put them to use. So look, folks, thank you so much for watching. This was a quick tour of the suite at the Alfonsina Boutique Hotel out here in Santa Cruz, Bolivia. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would highly appreciate it. I share with you all of my travel experiences, so maybe you can learn a thing or two and not make the same mistakes that I did. Thank you again so much for watching. This is Cedric, and I am out.